Oh my god, that's a monster!
A monster carp.
Oh my god, look at that!
Very expensive,
That one looks
Ryan.
like a whale!
Hi guys! Good morning! Welcome back to another vlog. So, today is a Friday. Kung hey fat choy sa inyo. So, ngayong araw is ito yung first outing namin as a family dahil nandito na si Daddy. So, we're going to see the Malagos Garden Resort. So, we decided to take you there with us. So, hope you will enjoy this vlog. So, ngayon, dadaan lang muna tayo ng McDonald's kasi wala pang breakfast ang mga bata and it's almost 9 o'clock or 9:18 na pala. So, ayun si Isay. Ryle is over there. And then, Daddy. Hindi ko alam.
Yay, drive-thru! We're going to a drive-thru.
Dito muna tayo sa McDonald's.
Mami, o yung phone mo.
Up.
Alam kong
Ops, 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 ops. Ayun na.
171.
We have to change.
Yeah,
Here you go.
Complete po, salamat.
Thank you. 10:22 na and 31 minutes pa bago tayo makarating sa ating destination. So guys, kailangan ng face mask and face shield. So ngayon, nandito, I have to fill out this health declaration. Wala.
Are you excited, Ryle?
Oh, just
Put you inside there.
What's that?
Ryle, do you want me to put you in there?
What's inside?
Wala.
there's a snake.
Well, no, there's nothing inside.
It's for you.
What's in there? No. They put the animals in there.
Nila dito.
I don't know. Baby, are you happy? Are you excited?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Go in the butterfly exhibit. The exhibit is called what? What animal they would exhibit? I mean, exhibit is like a zoo. That Can you go that one?
No, we'll go there later. We have,
Going restaurant?
Ay, doon ko sa unahan.
there's a lot of carp. See? Whoa!
Whoa!
Carps are so big.
Oh, there's a big bathroom.
Hmm?
They're so big, Ryle. Wait, tingnan yung yellow blue.
There's a bass over there. That's.
First na ko makita ganyan kalaking koi.
Oh my God, that's a monster.
A monster carp.
Oh my God, look at that.
Very expensive,
That one looks
Ryle.
like a whale.
Hmm?
That one looks like a whale.
You wanna jump in?
There's a palm skater.
Oh, let's go. Oh,
Guys,
let's go.
there's a palm
We
skater.
have to go eat first.
There's a palm skater. Oh,
Let's go.
hello. Hello, bird.
Pangit si Ryle, pangit si Ryle.
Pangit, pangit.
Hello. Hello, birdie. Hello.
Oh, nice flowers.
They look.
Huh?
They don't look weird. Hey, there's a frog.
Where's the frog?
There.
Where?
Under this.
Going to the restaurant right now. We're going to take our lunch first before we will go for the tour.
So this is the lunch area. Okay. Thank you. Okay, so we're gonna have our lunch. Tapos na kami nag-lunch, guys, and ang sarap ng lunch nila. So, yeah. Mag-start na tayong mag-tour. Uy!
Photoshoot ang magnanay. See? We are on our way to where? Saan ba tayo pupunta?
We're going to the view deck. Siguro naman hindi. Huwag muna ako mag-mask. Huwag niyo ako i-bash.
Butterfly.
There are so many butterflies, mahal.
Where?
Oh, do you want to sit there?
You want to ride the bicycle, Ryan?
Let's go and have a picture here. Lahat tayo nakaupo.
Hi, guys. Hey.
We are walking where, Ryan?
The northern hemisphere.
Northern
Very steep.
Hemisphere. Where is that?
Here. It's very steep in the northern hemisphere.
Hmm?
That's inside.
Guys, huwag niyo ako i-bash. Hindi ako nakamask.
Guys, come. There's birds.
There's so many birds over there.
Kasi ang haba na nilalakad namin, hindi na kami makahinga.
Snails and butterflies.
Wala naman tao sa paligid, so okay lang.
One of them are caterpillars because they didn't turn into a cocoon yet.
Kami lang naman na nandito, so I think it's fine. Pero pag maraming tao, we should wear our face mask. And there's a lot of trees, so I don't think there's virus here.
There is virus. The virus can go everywhere.
The virus can go everywhere.
There's
Hmm?
hundreds and millions of them.
Ah,
Where
so
should we go?
far.
That way
Where
or
are we
this
going?
way?
I think this way.
Are those ducks or goose?
Some of them are, the white ones are good.
Wow, so many. Look at the bird. Look at
That's an eagle. That's a Philippine eagle.
Hello, girl.
Say hi to the ducks. Come here.
Ral, be careful ha! Kung mahulog ka, ano yan? Lumot yan, hindi yan. Kung baka mamaya biglang umapak.
See,
Why you have a flashlight? So,
I'm very sweaty right now.
Where do we go? Oh, where do we go? Where do we go?
Hmm? Where? Where should we go? What's that? Ryle, that's a big ant.
Red light.
Ah, may zip line pala rito. There's a zip line here.
Should we go that way?
It's
Or should we go
going that way.
this way or that way?
Mag-tour mo, ma'am?
oo.
So may view deck ang atong kuan, ma'am.
Ano
Pero kung
klaseng
gusto niyo, ma'am,
eagle?
nami raptor
Eagle
feeding,
ba yun o
dali lang.
falcon?
Eagle.
That's
Eagle?
an
Hawk.
Hawk?
Philippine hawk eagle, sir.
Philippine hawk.
Kasi gusto niyo matanaw, sir, nami feeding ron, sir.
Sige,
Magpa-fly.
sige. Check
Hello.
mo. Thank you.
Okay. Dali lang, sir, sa may coral nga.
Pwede siya magpa-picture ka dali.
Sige.
I want to picture on that one. That one.
Ito na lang, magsunod na lang kami.
Ay, hindi lang, mag-picture daw siya.
Oh,
Sorry
picture siya. O, sige.
Okay lang, ma'am.
Appeal na lang pa ha, hindi man pwede nga dito mo appeal. Okay, smile, Ral. 1, 2, 3, birdie. 1, 2, yeah! That's
Oh.
nice! Thank you. Come on na!
Let's go.
Thank you. Ganda pala tong pwesto natin eh. Lahat ng ibon dumaan eh.
There's another one.
Oh, shit!
There's another one. You want to have a picture of all? Oh, that's an owl.
Name.
Anong klaseng
Anong
owl?
owl? Owl yan? Come on, Ryle!
Oh, the other one is eagle.
Ryle!
What
Go,
kind of...
Ryle, kasi mag-picture. Ay, ano?
Ay.
Come on, Ryle.
Ay.
Okay, 1. Ryle, come on. Ryle, look.
Scoops owl.
Oh, 1.
Can I touch?
Yeah, you can touch.
Wait. Oh, that's nice. Ako rin, Sige, ikaw na dali. Ayoko mag-picture. Alis, okay yung dalawa? Ryle, alis yan anak, si Achi. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Thank you.
Mag-flight mo diha karon.
Ah,
2 hours later.
My bangs are greasy.
I'm so sweaty right now.
Ayun, sinabi ko.
Maybe because I'm not used to this weather. Although mas mainit sa Dubai pero lagi naman naka-aircon.
Dito muna tayo kaya may picture. Maghanap tayo ng tao.
We cannot fly them, they're so big. Look at that eagle. That's the Philippine eagle. I think that's a Philippine eagle.
That's a
Oh. Say hi. What's that, Ryle? Ryle. Ryle. Ryle, what's that?
What's the name of the height?
Is that a pony?
What's the name of the height?
A donkey? Alright, what? Come on.
It stung me.
You have to run away from the bees. I think that was a wasp.
A few moments later.
Oh, it's raining. Hindi kami makapag-tour, guys. Ang ganda dito pag ganito, oh, ganito yung bahay mo. Chill ka lang. Pwede mo tanggalin yung mask mo, tayo lang 4.
Yes guys, umuulan ngayon. Tingnan nyo, wala kang magawa. Dito kami para kami nasa, saan ba tayo? Like pergola. Ito na lang may mga kortina na araw. So we don't have any choice but to wait for the rain to stop.
We don't have any choice. We can just run, but the rain will catch us.
No,
We
if
can use
we're
umbrella.
going to run, we will get wet.
How about if we run so fast?
Hmm? Even if you run so fast, you will still get wet.
So we just stay here
Yeah, we have to just stay here.
forever.
Mhm.
What's in here?
Not forever. We'll just have to wait for the rain to stop.
I know. Daddy,
Mhm.
what is a big one?
Oh my God, walang signal, ulan.
Samplit. Kaka. Ooh, no, no. Ow, 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 ow.
Naper.
Excited mag-picture ang isa, kaya lang umuulan. Wala nga kuha ang picture. Wala kaming magawa, hindi yung tambay dito. Hello guys. Yan, naglalakad tayo sa ulanan.
raining talaga. So, eto kami. Rain or shine, sayang naman yung binayad natin pag hindi natin lubos-lubusin. So, we are now entering the kids indoor pala yan. So,
Yan. So, we're walking in the rain. Walking in the rain.
Go away. It's just to go see
Lan-
the butterflies.
Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Later Ryle wants to watch butterflies. Yan, butterfly sanctuary.
so shortcut tayo.
So, Ryle, you hold that. Be careful.
Yeah, be careful later, ha?
Wait. Okay, hold daddy. Because
Ano ang butterfly?
might be slippery. Hindi natin alam. So, jump! Yeah.
So, gula.
Yan. There you go.
The
See here.
first, yeah, this is the eggs of the butterfly.
So that's the eggs. See?
And
This is the larva.
So, here's the larva.
where?
Can you see? Those black ones.
Oh, I saw larva.
Yeah.
I saw
Check
larva
properly.
before.
Check it.
The pupa.
Right?
Pupa.
Pupa.
The pupa.
And where's the
They call this one pupa. And Achi is like a butterfly.
Oh, hindi pwede pa nga to?
Hindi. Kasi
Saan lang kami?
wala tayong makitang butterfly.
Oh, picture lang kayo.
Dito lang tayo dito.
Dalawa kayo.
It's okay.
Hindi, parang kinlose nila kasi umuulan.
So we ordered the specialty na Malagos chocolate, hot chocolate. So kami lang dahil ayaw naman ni Isay. Wala na silang tsaa, wala silang coffee na with like cappuccino or latte. Nakakalungkot, sobra, kasi umulan na at hindi kami nakapagpa-picture kung saan nakalagay yung Malagos Garden Resort na yun, guys. So, siguro babalik na lang tayo dito. But anyway, napakita naman namin kung ano yung meron sa loob. And hope you enjoy. And I'm gonna end this vlog now dahil may pupuntahan kami. It's later. Or I'll say, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!